Welcome to the driving force in mechanical harvesting, the Korvan 9200. This world-class harvester was designed with the help of coffee growers like yourselves. As a result, the Korvan 9200 was honored with the Agricultural Engineering Award for Outstanding Innovation in Engineering. This video is a quick look at the many features that make the Korvan 9200 a leader in mechanical harvesting. Integrated electrical and hydraulic controls allow easy operation. Automatic steering and automatic leveling maintain proper alignment. Automatic height promotes optimum pick, and all automatic controls can be switched to manual when necessary. Originally developed for coffee fields in Hawaii, the Korvan 9200 performs well in tough picking conditions. Its unique three-wheel chassis allows tight turns and easy handling on difficult slopes. The aggressive Dynarotor Plus picking system, with rotating heads and half-inch rods, quickly remove cherries from the bush. The rotary heads turn freely while shaking horizontally to provide an even pick. Tip speeds are adjustable, allowing optimal pick in all field conditions. The large picking throat handles tall trees with minimal damage and less droppage. The air density cleaner system separates trash from product. Efficient belting and onboard storage bin keep the harvester working longer in the field. The hydraulically controlled storage bin can be tipped 135 degrees to simplify unloading of the cherries. Dump trailers are also available for easy transportation of product. Designed and built in the United States by Korvan Industries, the Korvan 9200 contains the latest technologies. With tires designed for better traction, computerized circuit boards to control automatic features, a reliable 70 horsepower John Deere engine with easy one-side servicing, durable polycarbonate catcher plates to collect more product, and stainless steel pans and drag chains with high-impact UHMW delivery flights. The Korvan 9200 has many features to make your operation profitable. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our customers have to say.
Regarding the ability to come in and strip pick, when we have 70%, 75% ripes in the field, of course we want to just remove it all at one time. Presently, we can do that and remove about 90% of the crop. And we find that the Korvans have the capacity to be able to do that. The elevating conveyors, the cup belts are able to handle the amount of cherries that we're removing, and they have a big enough capacity in the bins to handle our crop.
It's a very easy machine to drive, let's put it that way. It does not take a long time to train a driver. It behaves, it's a big box, so to speak, but it maneuvers very easily. The three-wheel drive is excellent. Maximum maneuverability. I like the fact that there is no levers to pull. The electro switching with hydraulics has worked excellent, very reliable. So driving the machine is easy.
Hand picking coffee versus mechanical picking coffee is, cost-wise, is a huge difference. A good picker is going to pick you maybe 200 pounds or 300 pounds a day of cherries. So one guy on one machine on a decent field that's yielding okay, like where we are now, each operator in an 8-hour shift is picking almost 10,000 pounds of cherries, and we're only paying them by the hour. So it's huge, the difference.
There's definitely an advantage of having auto steer. The operator would think that he would be off of the row, but actually with the auto steer he's right in the center of the row, so we get better recovery with the fish plates are properly centered over the row. So we feel that's a step in the right direction as far as total overall field recovery. So we plan to continue to have auto steer as a not an option. We want that to be standard for our harvesters.
So we like the tilt on the shaker head. We like the fact that the lower belt will dump out some of the broken branches and not get mixed in with the berries. We like the high tilt on the dumping box, so it makes it easier to drop into the trailer. We like the lower belt. That's a much stronger belt, has less problems with skipping. So overall, we see a lot of improvements in the new machine.
Based on the consensus of people around Hawaii, I went and toured and asked all the people at both Molokai and Kauai what they thought. And generally there was favorable votes towards the Korvan, and so I just made the call.
When we got started on this project, I had the opportunity to look around at some other equipment that picks coffee, and of course there's not many US-built coffee harvester. There is a machine that's developed in Australia. There is a machine that's picking berries made in Europe somewhere, I think Finland. There is a machine that's been developed and used in Brazil, and I had the opportunity to look at some of those, especially the machine in Brazil, and I would rate the Korvan just as a whole, you know, a new generation machine, and by that I mean the tremendous hydraulics, very easy to operate. So I would rate the machine itself. I have a sheet where I rated all the various angles, and on every one of those, Korvan came out on the top. But not only do I like the machine, I do like the company as such, because they do have an innovative approach and are willing to change and make it happen and find ways to improve. And we have seen the different generation machines in Korvan, and Korvan has made improvements every year, and I think that is really great.
No, we purchased Korvans this year because of price. You know, we always liked the idea of price, but we wanted more horsepower. They provided it for us. We wanted auto steer. Korvan provided that. We wanted auto height. Korvan provided that. And we like the color blue.